If you need to change your GoDaddy email password, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you forgot your password, want to update it for security, or just need to reset access to your mailbox, this process is simple once you know where to go. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the site loads, sign in with the account that manages your hosting and email services. If you have more than one GoDaddy account, make sure you use the one connected to the email address you want to update. After you're signed in, head over to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and email-related tools in one place. From there, look for your web hosting section and click Manage. This takes you into the hosting dashboard where the email settings are usually stored if your mailbox is connected through cPanel hosting. Next, open cPanel. Once cPanel loads, look for the email section. Inside that area, click Email Accounts. This page shows all of the email addresses associated with your hosting account. If you manage multiple emails inboxes, this is where you'll be able to find the exact one you want to change. Now scroll through the list and find your email address. When you see the correct one, click Manage next to it. This opens the settings for that specific mailbox, including the option to update the password. On the password screen, you can either type a new password manually or use the Generate option if you want GoDaddy to create a strong password for you automatically. If you choose to create your own, make sure it's secure and unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're updating this for business use, it's a good idea to save the password somewhere safe before continuing. Once the new password is entered, click Update Email Settings or Save, depending on what your screen shows. GoDaddy will then apply the change to your email account. After that, your old password will no longer work, so make sure you use the new one the next time you sign in through webmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any other email app connected to that account. If you're using the email on your phone or desktop mail client, you may also need to update the password in those apps after changing it in GoDaddy. Otherwise, the mailbox may stop syncing until the new password is entered there too. That's a very common step people forget, so keep that in mind if your email suddenly stops receiving messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy email password. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and it's one of the best ways to keep your inbox secure. If this walkthrough helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more GoDaddy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.